Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my live streams. Tonight, I'm doing a small YouTuber support and I'll also be talking about infertility in women. Hi Curtis, welcome to my live stream. How are you doing? Don't forget to thumbs up and share if you can. So I'm just waiting for some other people to come so I can start the discussion. Mhm. Hi Serge PUBG Mobile, how are you doing? Don't forget to thumbs up the live and share if you can. In my fridge. Whatever. So don't forget to thumbs up the live. Hi Indy, welcome back to my classroom. Don't forget to thumbs up and share if you can. Hi Sandy and Bones, how are you doing? Don't forget to thumbs up and share if you can. Hi King PUBG Mobile, welcome to my live stream. Don't forget to thumbs up and share if you can. Please share so that we can have a full host. I'm not staying long tonight. I'm just staying for 1 hour. Hi Mass family, welcome to my live stream. Welcome Leanne. How are you doing? Don't forget to thumbs up and share. If me turn off the fan, me I go burn up. If I make nice indie. I'm not bad, Sandy and Bones. I'm here. Let me know if the fan is interrupting the audio. Hi Richie and Tia, welcome to my live stream. Don't forget to thumbs up and share. Yes, road to 1K, Leanne, road to 1K. You know, say your puppy show, saying cool, we must turn off the fan. Real puppy show. Hi Taff, they beat you tonight. Enough people reach before you tonight. Let me see how much people reach before you. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7 people are 8. You're late tonight, Taff. I saw Indigo at night time and daytime, Leon, with the extra self. So I'm giving you 15 minutes to dance, then we'll start the discussion. Go catch 2 bug days and you want to hear bug. Okay. Oh, you're the bug out a door, bug out a door. We can't turn off the fan in your hat. Or the fan interrupt.
I'm hot.
Me I go dead. Feel the heat. So dance with who you aren't dancing with as yet. And come back. Please remember, no spam words, no use of numerals, no more than 2 emojis per text. What else? No begging and no self-promoting. And please remember to watch the person's video for at least 2 minutes. And then you're going to like their video, comment on it, and click that subscribe button. Come back here, write their name and 2 hearts beside it. I don't think you're dancing with Lee and as yet, boy tough. You hear that? When I hear me bone a creek, you hear that? Sandy and Bone said they want to see you. You? Because they want to see you. He said, "Oh, not for pay for see me, no if I sell him myself." We are sell. Yes, me I get all. Me. You know, for this extra, this something not so low.
I look now, that's I look. Yes, I'm Ramai.
Baby. Baby.
Bad people call me the name.
Come on, tell me camera. Come here, bun up.
Are you must have fun, yeah.
You talk too much.
Just a bun up. Are you make it a make nice?
Yeah, in your hot for real. Holly curtain.
I respect your mad man. I see something, I see a man.
I comfort some and I big you up.
What?
Bones, I made that in the boat to see
How
them.
name once again? Oh,
I go up on the Instagram and
oh,
we don't
the
show.
man there, when I say, man,
Mm.
I'm gonna know. Oh, yeah, big up yourself, too, brother, even though I don't know you, see, but I realize you know my background here, yeah, but, you know, man,
Pull up them book.
eh? Hold up this other one. Yeah,
Pull up them book and make it call this.
oh,
So
what's
keep
this,
coming in.
brother?
Yes, I'm a mashup fan. I don't understand when you say Sandy and Bones.
Yo, in your hat, yeah?
Yeah, in a hot for real, man.
Mash up your phone, I go.
You have to make people know say me mashup fan.
Mash up your phone.
Funny.
Whatever.
Funny.
Yeah.
Funny like it is.
It was fire. Yo, you funny on your phone, bro. Come to your time. Fan me back.
Turn on the funny back.
Fan me back.
So let me know when you're ready to start the discussion. Tonight's topic is infertility in women. Really putting to myself me a fan. Only son, what type of hot air that you have read for me?
Oh.
You? So only Sunday and Bones me see a talk in the chat right now and my screen and show me say 4 people there. Why you ask that about who can breed? It is to me too, Lee Ann. Why is it though? Yes, thumbs up for the host KJ's Family TV. Dance with KJ Family TV if you aren't dancing with them as yet. So Richie and Tia say we must start the topic right now. So at 8:10 p.m. now and we have 1 hour and a little bit because we plan so up. So who wants one some way plan by the way? 1 5 day floor plan. So without further ado, you're looking me never say 1 month. So without further ado, let's get into tonight's topic. So who knows what the definition of infertility is? So me I go draw for Google. Google me I beg no permission for chat on no definition on the live stream. So me I go draw for Google and read the definition. So you can roll in your answers about infertility. Me I laugh about Tashika. Hear this one here, when someone can't breathe. Alright, you come with your Jamaican with your Jamaican definition. So somebody else give me for them definition. When someone can't really get pregnant, that is what Richie and Tia said. Yeah, you can go on it. It's hard for them. Probably they have to seek a doctor. Yes. So Sandy and Bones and Richie and Tia came with their answers. Really? Why you always want to talk about them things here, Tanika? Me no know because them my mother say no. My mother say no.
Wow. No,
India asks why me always want to talk about them topic here. Mm-hmm. They interesting and like we need to talk about the realistic stuff.
India live.
Yes, India always dey on my life.
Indie boss.
So Tashika
You
is
never said
saying
indie boss. Me there tonight, you know?
Tashika is saying
So big up
it's
India,
when
you know?
somebody can't have a baby. Leanne is saying she sent me her last post on Instagram and it was about this same topic. Remember if you go on my Instagram when we done to go look on it because it looked like me overlooking.
Come on. Come.
So I'm going to look on it, Leanne, when I'm done here.
Dirty post. Post.
Yes, so it's when someone is unable to reproduce or bear a child, and who said it? Richie and Tia was saying probably they have to go to the doctor to fix it, but in some cases it is unreversible and it can't fix. Then just left barren, as we Jamaicans would say, or infertile for the rest of their life. No, me not hot again if and on. So what do you think, or what are the causes of infertility that you know? I know a few causes, so share the ones that you know.
Six never change. I see you.
Where you come from? You asking the song the phone. Sing to Christian song now. Richie and Tia, it can be fixed in some cases, but in some cases it can't be fixed. Like like yes, as I think some medical procedure gone wrong, as Leanne said, in those cases it can't be fixed. And like some women remove their reproductive system um because of illness like cancer, so they remove their womb. So in that case, it is unreversible. And in tubal ligation, like first time when you get tie off, you could have pulled it, but not now because they don't tie it anymore. They cut it. So
Social distance party. You really know party? And they want to keep.
that disturbs me.
Sorry.
So in that case, it is honor irreversible. One out of the two. Yes, and some persons are born infertile, as Leanne said. seeing no period is I don't think I would say it is a cause, but it is a sign of being infertile. It is a sign of being infertile. I don't think anybody don't have any eggs, sandy, and bones. Everybody is born with, every female is born with eggs. So I don't think any female don't have any eggs. Well, in the case when Sandy and Bone say, are the Jews weak? That is not infertility in women. That is infertility in men when the sperm count is low. So them would have to fix that because nothing wrong with the woman in that case. Yes, and birth control pills can also cause infertility in women if it is taken for too long or if it is too strong for the female. Here, India, big up your Indian friend.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Leon said it's reversible. Yes, sometimes it's the man as well, and that is a completely different topic. We'll be talking about that another time. Tonight, it's all about the females.
Could have like secret,
No, I'm not a doctor.
secret,
Yes, or multiple abortions, as Sandy and Bone said, or even one abortion can cause you to be infertile because some people's body is not strong as other person's own. Really? Zion Tai said yes, you can have an ovary and cannot produce eggs. Well, I did not know about that. Thanks for letting me know. I did not know that. You learn something new every day. So, other causes of infertility in women is PCOS, which is a shortening of polycystic ovarian syndrome. Another another cause of infertility in women is also endometriosis, um, chemotherapy. What else? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me.
I don't story after
Oh, you're just there for keep me company. Yes, Leanne said PCOS, fibroids, cysts. There are a lot of causes of infertility in women. So, what do you think are like? What side effects do you think it has on persons when a woman is infertile?
you got notification on level.
Mm-mm. You text me?
No,
Or may I take this off of vibrate? Because when it vibrates, we doing it live.
you know?
They in the live. Are you text?
No.
Hey SNS twins, welcome to my live stream. I know that you aren't staying for long. Don't forget to thumbs up and share. So tonight we're talking about infertility in women. And Richie and Tia is saying they have seen people who have PCOS have baby. Yes, it is possible to have a child when you have PCOS, but it's it's not easy. Like you can't just go one time and it happen. You have to check constantly, and you have to be taking medications, or you have to be doing therapy or treatment, or you have to use something for stimulate your egg production and help you with that problem. So it's not easy to have a child when you have PCOS. And some persons who have it can't have any children at all. It depends on the severity of the situation. Yes, irregular menstrual cycle is a side effect of being infertile. Have you ever heard the term menorrhagia? If you have, please let me know. Sunday I'm going to ask if me fertile. More than likely, yes I am. Me don't have no children, so me can't answer to that. So Richie and Tia is saying she saw people on YouTube have children with PCOS, but it was difficult for them and it took a long time. So I was saying the same thing before. Yes, it is very taxing on mental health. It can, like, some people feel like them are go mad because they can't have no picnic, and like that's a one of them goal. Yes, hormone imbalances can can cause infertility in women, and it is also what you doesn't know, a symptom, but it can lead to infertility in women. When you say all about Deja, welcome to my live stream. Don't forget to thumbs up and share. Yes, as Zion said, it takes a big toll on them because they feel as if women are supposed to be able to reproduce, and then every day, even like say you're married, when you go give your husband one picnic, when you give me one grand picnic, me ready for one grandson.
When you give me one picnic.
More fire, so like when people are asking them like when they're going to have a child, they feel a weird, like they feel sad, and like if they see their friend have picnic, they might go feel a way too. If they see everybody around them get pregnant, they might go feel a way. So it take a big toll on their mental health, and me feel like people commit suicide because they can't have picnic. Welcome back, boy tough. You love the attention, we all know. Yes, it's really sad. And the thing is, people we can people it's the persons who really and truly want children can't get the children most of the times, and then the little careless girl them out the road, we are going to leave them picnic and leave them with anybody, them can just go one time and get it. Then can dash a picnic a lot of times and still get pregnant. Like why God make them can get pregnant and never make other the people they want to can get pregnant, even though you're not supposed to question God.
Okay. It's Sabi answer me from on like Sabi answer me.
Minority don't mess it. Yes, like nobody. Don't ask me. Do not ask me when me I go have one picnic. Don't ask no woman when them I go have no picnic. Just like don't ask nobody when them I go have no picnic. It make them feel away. Even if they can have one child and they don't want to have none, do not ask them. It's gonna make them feel away. And everybody have one right. If you don't want to have no child, if they don't want, and everybody have a right to do what they want to do, but don't ask nobody when them I go have one child. Please and thanks. And the next time I do ask me when me I go have one baby, me I go tell them something rude.
Yeah, tell me something wrong. When you have one
Hi, Sabi Anthony. Welcome to my live stream. Don't forget to thumbs up and share. Where you gone? Yes, with you, Zayanta, it really insensitive. You need to think about other people's feelings before you say or do certain things. Like you can't just the person can be happy today, like right now, and then somebody come. When you go have one child, like you get all blah blah blah, and then you just make the person feel sad for the rest of the day. Not even for the whole day, no, the person feels sad for the rest of the week or even for the rest of the month. No, don't do it. So Leon, as you know, can see me very passionate about the topic here. So like in life I got cut off the like it I got cut off with me a chat because I 1 hour may have left. So Leanne is saying it hurts her every day she sees senders on a popular site asking for abortion advice. She's not judging them because it's best if they can take care of it, but I just feel type of way. Me too, Leanne. Me too. Like people out there were really and truly want to have a child, but they can't have a child, but then they are willing to settle for an adoption. So why you're going to put your body in, and I was talking about abortion yesterday, Lee, and why are you going to put your body through all of that stress? You're going to get pregnant, then you're going to spend that the amount of money there. I don't know the price. I heard that it's 20,000 up. You go spend all of that money, got the doctor, get one abortion, and you are gonna have to push out the fetus. You put yourself through all of that to push out one baby, one dead baby. You gonna put yourself through all of that when you could have just carried the baby full term, and then somebody else take the baby as for them responsibility. It just don't make no sense to me. Seriously, why you come put this here so?
Now, banana.
No, me no want no banana. Hi Hector 21 CYYT. How are you doing? Don't forget to thumbs up the live stream and share. What y'all love, Sabi and Sheni? So Zayanta is saying, yes, it's pretty sad. If I can't have a baby, I'd go mad to be honest because I love children.
The internet or fast tonight, though. When you so up.
I know the feeling, Zayanta. I know persons that are infertile. Yeah, want it, can't get it, and get it, no want it.
Yeah.
Yes, and just as childbirth, abortion is death road as well. And me feel like you're more likely to dead when you get to an abortion. I feel like you're more likely to die when you're getting an abortion. But me feel look and share. Me can't look for nothing on WhatsApp now because
That's just such an ass, really.
share. What well, not sharing at the group. Make me know what sharing at the
I
group.
say just such an ass, really.
Which last video?
Yeah, I propose one. Yeah. You know,
I wonder which video share at about upon the other channel. Yes, most of them are done illegally because they know go the proper way because it's more expensive.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sure. Make sure you like up the live stream and make sure so you share until till the name gone out of my head.
Oh yes,
Tell
I
the
see
boyfriend
watch.
to join.
I see watch. See that. Oh yeah. That didn't experience.
The material in group. So Zion Thai is saying she doesn't believe on or like abortions, but it's not her place to tell a woman what to do with their body. Same here, Zion Thai. I don't believe in abortions and me not condone none of that. The only way me condone that, as me say yesterday, is if you get raped or if you have a health condition that's going to cause you to die and then tell about it, or if the child have a disability and they say, all right, you have the option to keep the child or you have the option to get rid of it and you choose to do that. But every woman have the right to do what they want with their body. Yes, share me notice. You're the one they are talk about becoming coming from the phone.
Daddy, I'm taking a walk, okay?
Sit down.
What that over?
Sit down.
They don't answer me. Are
They
you a
want
PH
you.
channel listener?
Sit down and keep me company.
What you fucking at?
So feel free to tell me anything else that you know about infertility in women.
You want me the other way? I'm going to come here again.
Leon, I didn't know how to reply to someone, but to be honest, to me, if you can lay down on your back and have sex with someone, you must can take the consequences. Yes, if you can have sex, you must can deal with the responsibility will come with sex. Oh, and
Sex or sex?
also a cause of infertility in women is also STDs. So certain form of STDs can cause infertility in women. I don't remember which one exactly, but I know say one of the STD them can cause a woman to be infertile.
Blood STD.
Mm?
STDs. The anals. Herpes. Well done.
Yes,
Well done.
Leon is saying STDs, herpes, to name a few. I think I remember if gonorrhea, or one of them, or chlamydia. I'm not sure if that one can cause infertility in women, but me know say STDs, like some of them can cause a woman to be infertile. Who is here? They turn up the enemy for security guard. So Leon is confirming that chlamydia and gonorrhea can also cause infertility in women.
Maybe can love stick. Because we have one Google. Give me a submit.
Mm-mm.
What people? Listen, come.
You're not come back.
One next week.
Whatever. Yes, that's truly, and it's another reason why safe sex is our responsibility, and it is also the man's responsibility also. So we both have to be accountable of our actions. So here it's saying infertility not means I'm 34. If you're trying for 1 year or more, then you are infertile. But if you're 35 and over and you have been trying for 6 months, then they're saying that is when it is ruled out that you are infertile. And we also miss out the fact that infertility can be caused by age because remember that at a certain age in women they start going through menopause. So when they start going through menopause, then you're going to start becoming infertile because you're producing much less eggs. And it also can be caused by environmental factors and your lifestyle. And it also can be caused by obesity also. I would say that falls under lifestyle. So it can also be caused by obesity. So it's best to go to your doctor to find out if you are infertile and not to self-diagnose because sometimes we feel like say, all right, we can just take up a phone, go on Google, type in your symptoms, and then Google will give we one answer, and we are going to say, all right, we are going with that, and then when you check it out, it is not that. It is something different because enough time you have certain problem and and you type it in. Okay, you're pregnant or you have the flu or you have this or you have that. And when you go to the doctor, it is something completely different. So it's not a good thing to self-diagnose. And I think black women are more likely to be infertile. I think, I am not sure. Don't forget to thumbs up if you haven't thumbs up already, and share if you have not as yet. Yes, you can come from this one now. Big people topic. So Leanne is saying it is mostly common with us because of health reasons. It's because some illnesses are more are more seen in people of black descent. Should I say black or should I say African? Okay, so Leanne is saying it's predominantly seen in us. And here in Jamaica, like if a woman can get pregnant, most people then tease them and call them barren, or then call them mule, or then tease them and call them a lot of names. And we need to educate persons about this so that they can, like, most persons are ignorant to the topic. Most persons are ignorant to the topic. So they follow myths and what things that they grow up seeing and hearing. So I think they need to talk about this more in schools, and they need to make this a part of guidance counseling class because a lot of persons don't know about it. They only grow up and hear persons saying like Mary Barron or Miriam Mule and then Caesar and all of them something here. So we need to educate, and I think we need to start a petition. I don't know how to start a petition, but I think we need to start a petition and get as many signatures as possible, and so that the government can make the government of Jamaica, and they need to do it in the Caribbean also, so that they can educate persons about infertility in both men and women in guidance counseling class at schools. Because to me, some of the things them what them are teaching at school, like irrelevant. Some of the things they don't relevant. So like we need to teach children things that will help them in life. Same like how they can talk about menstruation in guidance counseling class, but yet still when you're having that class to talk about menstruation, they tend to separate the males from the females. I don't think they should do that. I think they should have the class together so that the males can be educated about topics like that, because even the topic of menstruation and periods, like most persons say it's cliche, and most persons scarring women when they're on their periods, and like some men don't want to buy sanitary napkins. Like you don't want to buy sanitary napkins. You don't want to wash the female's underwear if she's sick, but yet still you want to take it off to have sex with the female. So why can't you act the same way when there are certain situations like that? Yes, males too need to be educated as much as we do, because they, like, if you have a wife and your wife can get pregnant, make sure say it not just affect your wife alone. It a go affect you too. And as Leon said, most men don't eat from their partners at that time, and that is very true. They not even want to sleep in the same bed with them, or they not even want to touch them, or they don't want to be nowhere near them, and that just don't make no sense. That don't make no sense to me. I mean, I think it make no sense to every woman. It don't make no sense at all. But in some countries and some cultures, it is normalized. Yes, there is a stigma attached that we are unclean at that time, and that is not true. It is just the body getting rid of things that is unwanted. It is just the body's way of getting rid of things that it doesn't want. And I heard somebody said at that time, that is when you are the cleanest, because you're not do certain things. So they need to get rid of that stigma. Yes, it is the norm for women to stay away during their period in some cultures. It is indeed. I think we all need to come together and start a petition about topics like these. Yes, the unused eggs and womb being broken down, and the uterus shedding. So it's the uterus shedding and getting rid of unused things in the body. Nothing more, nothing less, period. Remember, over things like that, we don't have any control over things like that. Like that is to take birth control to stop it, and that is unhealthy. It is not good for your body, because God make we face with period every month, and why you go stop it? Yes, Lee, and another topic to consider. Why is condom free and we have to pay for sanitary napkin? You know how one pack of sanitary napkin expensive? Like one pack of sanitary napkin is for is what the price? Like call it say 200 or 200 and little bit. Depends on the brand where you use. So say 250 max in Jamaica. Why condom free and we have to pay fee for sanitary napkin? They need to they need to they need to to let it be free in the clinics also. So Leonie said some people have to take birth control to regulate their periods, not just to stop it. Yeah, I know that some persons have to take it to regulate their period, but I know of persons where when they don't want to be in period, they take one certain pill and they stop it for like about 1 week or so, and then it are me don't know how long it stop it for because me not take it. So it stop it for the time when they want it to stop, and then it comes after. So that is not good for your health. Yes, if you see sanitary napkin for little bit of money, you need to buy three. You need to buy three. And remember that I know every brand sanitary napkin every woman can wear because I personally cannot wear certain brands. So you know say some brand more expensive than some. Yes, we get 7 days average. Like most persons it's 7 days to rest your body and you want to stop it to do what? To do what? To work your body again? Like we don't need to reevaluate yourself. You have persons that see it for less, you have persons that see it for more, but on average it is 7 days. I know what you're talking about. I've never used that one before. I've never used that one before, Leon. But I can't use stay, you know the other part. I can't use stay free and I can't use well me know say me can use stay free. Yes girl, it's not running away. It's a go the when it done. It's going to be there after the 7 days. Which one? Stay free? Because that is the one that I use when I just create big mess every time and it is uncomfortable so me can't wear it. Me don't know if they change their formula, but that the formula they did really want change because it did feel like you wear plastic. I think a lady, I don't remember her name, but she's from Jamaica. She before COVID, she was going on in high schools and the universities, and she was educating persons about periods. I think she is advocating for for female sanitary stuff to be free. I think she's advocating, but we'll have to check. Yeah, girl, very uncomfortable and messy. And there is a Jamaican brand sanitary napkin, it's called I think it's called Woman's Touch, but it's more expensive than the rest. I think they said it's made from 100% cotton, so I guess that is why it's so expensive. Yes, that's the person. That's the person, Leanne, and we all need to follow her. She's very passionate about what she's doing. Yes, her foundation is Her Flow. So guys, go over to Instagram and follow Her Flow Foundation. She advocates. She's a yeah woman is such dear. I think a $300 fee. Me just said if it cut me I pass when me see it because me not buy nothing so expensive. Me not buy that. Me not have them the money there. Me stick with the evil women who I need to do the job. So guys, head over to Her Flow Foundation on Instagram. She's a period advocate, if that's the word. So guys, this live will be ending at around 9:20 and it's now 8:57. So Leanne Westside is saying the foundation is about female reproductive rights and health. Thanks for the correction. We all need to support her. Yes, very informative information being shared there. It's just sad that this pandemic came into play and and some females aren't able to afford these stuff at like every month. So now they have to be using certain things for substitute. It's just sad that she's not able to help them the way she used to help them because of this pandemic. Because believe it or not, there are a lot of persons out there who can't afford it. And it is not a luxury, guys. Like enough people think say it's a luxury. No, it's not. Especially when it come with pain. Thanks, thanks, Leanne. It's a topic that is very close to me. Like it's something that I can relate to. So when certain things happen around you, you can relate to it. So you get passionate about it. So I have to highlight it. I have a lot of topics that I want to talk about that persons normally sweep under the carpet. We need to talk about it. Good night, Sean's World. How are you? Don't forget to like and share if you can. Yes, you have to bring awareness to it any way we can. If you can post a little quote about it on WhatsApp, do it. If you can post it on Instagram, do it. If you have a YouTube channel like I do, you can talk about it. You need to talk about topics that are swept under the carpet. So, Sean, if you don't have Leanne, you can dance with her. And tonight we're talking about infertility in women, Sean's Royal. So what are your views on this topic, Sean? Please let me know your view on this topic, Sean. Hi, Sudas. If you weren't banned, you would not be able to see my live stream. No, you weren't banned. Welcome to my live stream. Tonight we're talking about infertility in women. But as you said, you're a child, but I'm not sure if you know anything about this. So if you do, please let me know. And don't forget to thumbs up the live and share if you can. Don't forget to thumbs up the live, Sudas. What don't you want to do anymore, Sudas, please? I don't have any control over that, Sudas, and I don't think they unsub. And it does not have to be the persons from my live stream. It can be other persons that are connected with you. And please remove that comment about unsubbed because that is a spam word. I guess Sudas is gone. Okay, bye Sudas. Enjoy the rest of your night. Thanks for stopping by. I'm not tired. Me don't know why me a yawn. I don't know why me a yawn. Cause me not tired. So I have approximately 15 minutes left. I only know about 3 million. It's none of the above because me just eat before me come here. It's none of the above, Leanne. I mean, and I'm only sleep so early either. So who is here with Leanne? Leanne, so every time when me come on live, me a yarn. I don't know what happened. Hi SL7 emoji. Welcome to my live stream. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share if you can. So you can connect, you can dance with Leanne if you're not dancing as yet. And tonight we're talking about infertility in women. Please let me know if you know anything about this topic. And my live stream will be ended soon. Invite one more person so we can get one more thumbs up for each 20. Please and thank you. And you can dance with me also if you're not dancing with me as yet. Because I noticed some of them people here, they might come on my platform and may help them grow and they not help my account go up. So I don't know if they have a conscience or not. Okay, SL. Don't forget to leave a comment so that I can find you to leave a package when I'm done here. Thank you, Leon Designs. Really appreciate it. Me know, see, I use same one, Leon. Yes, SL, I'm going to join your family as soon as I'm done here because I'm going live from my phone. Don't forget to leave a comment SL7 so that I can find you. And SL, you're not going to get your package tonight because my data is going to expire soon. So as soon as I get to activate another plan, I'm going to send you your package for sure. So just leave a comment so that I can find you. Thank you, Leanne. Thanks for inviting your sister. Yes, road to 1K. No, we're not going downward, we're going upward. Hopefully, I'll be able to reach 1K by the end of the month. Hopefully. That's true. I'm supposed to speak it into being. So me, I gotta reach 1K by the end of the month. Yes. Yes, I am going to like and comment on your video SL7. I don't see the comment pop up, but probably it's there. Leon, you haven't posted in a while, man. You haven't posted in a while. Are you planning to get monetized, Leon? Or also, I have another channel along with my boyfriend, so I'm going to text in here using that channel so that you can connect with us. Yes, Mr. Tomato, you're here. You are here. I'll be ending soon though. Welcome, Cadine's World. Don't forget to like and share. Connect with Tanika and Ramai. That's my other account. If you haven't as yet. So I'm going to leave you a package from the other account, Leon. So look out for it. Yes, it's still early, but you know, send me love my late life them. But the thing is, my plan soon expire. So But now when my plan expire, I'm gonna get to go live tonight because me never get to go live today, like early in the day. So I have to make use of it before it expire. It expires 9:21, so I have to make use of it. Yes, I'm going to dance with you right now. I'm in your house. Hi Vimia Marie. Welcome to my live stream. Don't forget to like and share. Feel free to dance with me if you aren't dancing with me as yet. And feel free to dance with everyone in the chat who you aren't dancing with as yet. V Marie, the Mia Marie, Leanne is saying hi to you. Dance with her if you aren't dancing with her as yet. And Sergeant Tomato is here. Feel free feel free to dance with him as well. And Kadeen Zorl is also here. Hi, hi, Ione Grant. Welcome to my channel. Guys, Ione is new here. Feel free to dance with her. Feel free to dance with Ione and Ione. Feel free to dance with everyone else in the chat. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and dance with me if you aren't dancing with me as yet. And you can also share my live stream. Sure, leave Tomato alone. Tomato get enough dance and income pan here. Leave Tomato alone. So Leanne, Tomato left you a package. Please return. Oh, those are your sisters. Okay. So S&S Twins is back. Feel free to dance with her as well. I don't think Vimea Marie and Ione Grant have a channel. I don't think they have a channel. Do they have a channel, Leanne? So they actually do. Guys, wanna make sure so wanna go over their channel, go subscribe to them, because then sister invite them over here and una have to give them good treatment. Okay? So Sergeant is saying he can't find Ione's channel. They don't have any posts as yet, Sergeant. So look if you find a channel with that name without any posts. So Leon, I just left you a package using the other channel. I'm going to look if I find Ione and what's the other name? Marie. Oh my god, guys, my plan up. So bye. Bye. Bye guys. Sorry for the sudden stop, but Come, me plan up. Bye.